Hello traders, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, gold open with a gap on the lower time frame. We see this gap in the beginning of the week. So let's see what kind of opportunity we have now. Before, let's look at a bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame first. So from the monthly, we can see that gold this month so far significantly bullish. As you have seen previous monthly close that we discussed previously, that open above this monthly level of support. Now this support is quite significant. We can see that from that support there was a gap opening and weekless candle on the monthly created this bullish impulse, followed by this the previous months we have seen after creating an overextended market to the upside, gold has broken down and again closed above this monthly level of support. Now this month, once the market opened, we have seen an initial bounce from this support zone initially, and then the price has come back down, has broken this monthly support and created a false breakout, immediately has gone to the upside. So with that impulse, highly likely that now gold will continue to push up, as we can see that the market has started to push up from this level, which is an important level of support. And over the long term, if we look at back to back 3 months, gold was in a strong bullish move. So there is a lot of buyers in this market at this point, and we can expect now gold to hit that monthly level of resistance zone in this direction. So looking at weekly time frame to see how it is doing. Now this is the first day of trading week as expected according to our weekly forex forecast. We have seen that gold, as soon as market open this week, also open with a gap, and we saw a weakless candle in this important weekly level of support with a gap. The price initially has an impulse. Now with that impulse, in fact, gold now moving to the upside. So where we can find trading opportunity, as this is a rising market, let's look at daily. Now this is the daily candle. As the first day of trading week, we see that there is a significant bullish move. Now if we draw this support zone on the daily, now we saw that this level acted here in the past as a resistance. So this is a significant level of resistance here and also resistance here, which is turning support here on gold. And we see that on the daily perspective as well, the price opened with a gap and created primarily an impulse. Now if we look at the past information, we see that gold last week failed to create a new lower low in this market. From this zone, we saw that there was a strong impulse during the NFP, created this daily strong bullish engulfer. In fact, it has broken this resistance zone now above this level, and we could potentially see gold is moving up, as we see that over the long term it is in fact a bull market. So with that being said, let's look at for the lower time frame. Now you can see there is a the gap open is very clearly seen on this lower time frame, and the price slowly testing this gap. Still this gap has not been tested properly. As you can see, the first 3 sessions the bulls were still active in the market. Now at the same time, the price is creating series of lower high on this lower time frame. So let's look at further lower time frame on the 1 hour chart to see where we can find trading opportunity. Now, as you have seen, this is the market structure that we have seen in the past week. Gold started a big move from this level. And we have seen last week during the live streaming, we had an amazing trade along this zone, and we are looking forward to have more on this one. Now, let's see where we can find trading opportunity. And as you can see, there is a big gap opening along the zone on gold, and we see there is a 20 EMA also is far from the price. With this is the zone that we see. This is the daily support where we can see the gap opening very clearly on the higher time frame. So what I think that what going to do, what might come back to this level where there is a high liquidity zone with this 1 hour 20 EMA along this support, we might see gold is testing this gap. As you know, the market doesn't like to leave a gap. Still there is a gap in this zone that has not been filled. So what I think that on the lower time frame, gold might come back down along this 20 EM on the 1 hour and the daily support zone, and from that level we could see potentially another bullish move. So as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone on gold, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below. Let us know which way you are trading gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.